to be still.
Holy
and know
cow.
that I am God. Sometimes it requires
love.com and clicking on the Faith tab, you can submit your prayer request.
All right, we made it to the, what's it called? Yorkville Auto? Is it called Yorkville Auto? Kendall County.
Kendall County Fairgrounds.
Kendall County Fairgrounds. All right, let's go look at some cars. All right. Yellow.
It is, yeah.
Wow.
It is the Will County Auto Revealers Car Show Sunday, August 18th. Sunday, August 18th. Put it on your list of fun places to go.
Is that a Riviera?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Look at that. That was before they started curving it out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so not that green. I mean, that green is nice.
Right.
Yeah. I never saw that girl. Is that how it really was?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's remember because I told you we saw that one where it looked like they were doing that again on the new ones.
Yeah, yeah.
That would have been nice.
I didn't know it was put in like that, like
No.
separately. I thought it was part of the whole frame. That's a nice one. Wow.
Yeah. Got the same thing, but I painted it the red, white, and blue.
You never showed me that one. No. And you did 3 colors? I think you told me about it.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Well, at least you got a
Yeah.
24 scale car of it.
I thought about
I don't know how long they carried that color. Just through this body style? I don't remember seeing one.
I don't remember saying that
on like
either.
a 67.
Yeah. That was my favorite one though.
Yeah, I
The
just
68.
think,
Yeah. I've never driven a 68.
It's 71. My dad had 73, so last year
Yeah.
for that.
This year.
Yeah. You got a low antique.
Yeah, he does. I like the color though.
Yeah.
Vanilla or whatever that.
Like a butters, like
Yeah.
cream.
Cream butter.
Cream, yeah.
Yeah, ivory. Gosh, look at that.
I can see your hat too.
Wow, what is that? Is that a Buick? SS. Pontiac. You can never go wrong with a Chevelle. Never. Trans, Corvette. That's sexy. Love that.
Probably a 7.
Wow. Wait, what is this? Jaguar. This is the E-Type. That's a nice color.
Which one?
The color.
Oh.
Titanium,
Yeah. Like
steel, something.
gunmetal gray.
Yeah. Another Mustang, right, guys? I can't get away from them. I like that. It's not glass or see-through, it's different.
Right.
They gave the car one full color,
Color,
silver. Yeah, the lights for that one is the same too. Do they roll up?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Nice.
See, this is where it goes.
Ford Taurus? I don't know if it's an SHO. Let's see. It's the Ram, so right? Wow. You don't need it. It looks good. It looks good. Perfect red.
Well, that's the color my dad's looking for.
What is that? How the Cobra came?
That's it. Yeah, I think that's how it is.
Probably 1,000. Couldn't have been a whole
I
lot.
don't know, and I think they made them like 2 or 3 years ago. But it was they were out made or unsafe at any speed. It was about to go red.
Yes. It's in the shape of an engine. I love that.
That's funny.
Love it. Love it.
Full caddy.
So, yeah.
Terminals for it.
Okay, that was on fire.
Oh, that guy with the diesel Chevette.
Diesel?
Yeah.
You did not tell me that.
I got a picture of the back of it because it says Chevette diesel. I'm like, what?
Wow.
Cylinder Isuzu diesel.
Zuzu Diesel. That sounds familiar. Zuzu.
That's
Oh,
a
the
nice one. I like that
T-tops.
green.
Oh, I like that green. That's like in the aqua family. You don't find too many T-tops anymore. They go
No.
straight to convertible or moon sunroof is
Roof,
popular. Yeah.
Do some work or something.
Yeah. I remember that one. When I was in grammar school, I went to a friend's house. I could sleep. I agree with that 100%.
There was some shady deal in buying that.
I agree with you on that. That cat up.
Yeah, that was my favorite.
Wow.
Oh, you know that,
Look at that tricked out van. Holy cow.
yeah, you don't see the whole 70s van.
Did he butterfly the doors? Okay. I like the Navy.
Yeah.
I think that Navy should come back strong. A lot of people don't go Navy anymore.
No.
Yeah.
I remember all of them 70s ones with all the shag, everything was shag.
Yeah. Like the white one right here with the
Funky
shag
color.
doors.
Yeah, I had the funky color.
Nice. That's different. Okay.
Put them in the junkyard.
Do you think they're like the most driven car? Most driven?
But, yeah.
They gotta be. Gutted out. They put cabinets, sink.
Oh,
It's a
yeah.
miniature RV. That's. Yeah.
Another truck.
Wow. I like what they did with it.
I like this thing.
Sometimes like clean and simple just looks good.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. You don't gotta do too much. It's different. I don't know what color it is because it's not. It's like a
Maroon.
maroonish.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Last year they made this.
Wow. You think so? Look at this. Is that a Chrysler?
First generation Charger.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, I always like that. The snake back.
Me too. Me too. I like what they did with the color. They didn't go dark. They went light color.
Her airbag. Same year of that car.
Same year, yeah.
You know, but it had the red flames and.
Yeah. I wonder what year was the first white seats introduced? You know? Yeah. Was the Studebaker used as president's cars or something? Wasn't it used for something, Studebaker?
Thank you. There we go.
All right, there we go. All right, lunch was good. We did one hot dog and shared it and some chips. But the wind is blowing, so it's a whole lot better. We're gonna finish out the aisles and see what new automobiles we see. Bird. Oh.
Oh, it's awards. It's awards.
Oh, that makes sense. Here are the awards. I like it. Okay. It's a nice place to have a vendor booth. All right, so it's always been like a goal of mine to turn these parts into like signs of furniture. That would be so cool. I don't know how much they are though. $3.50 for the chair. I was trying to see
How much I love Jesus and
if you needed to pick up anything. There's my Mustang. Thank you for joining me on this walk through the Gears and Ears car show in Yorkville, Illinois. I hope you got a chance to see some different cars. There's a lot of things I've already saw before, but I thought it was cool to try to highlight some of my favorites, which of course are Mustangs. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Hope you are enjoying your summer as well.